Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I heard
videos.
What?
Some videos.
Sorry, I'm chewing on stuff. Chewing tape. Ghoulies.
Chew tape. It's like the best lollies. If you go to a dairy, they're $1. And make sure you get the last piece.
They taste pretty good. Okay.
The last piece is always the best tasting.
Okay. So we're gonna be counter-terrorists. I tried to record last time, but then I accidentally pressed the wrong button. For me, it's Control F9 to start recording. But then I accidentally pressed Control F10, which is pause.
That's screenshot.
There we go. Whoa. Just got wasted by a bot.
What's the hardness one?
Medium. Not the person I was aiming for, but who cares? I got someone.
You're rolling out all the
That's like the most cringiest thing ever.
Everyone dab for life.
Next, like,
Bring back dabs 2017.
okay, you know what? I'm gonna do something. I've never been up here before. I've seen people be up there before.
What you using?
Why is there so much lag?
The MP9. That looks gay.
It ain't gay.
It sounds like just a cheap rip-off
See?
of MP7.
MP7 is a bad gun. That's like, I think. Like, I mean, I'm sorry, it's taking ages to chew this thing and it's so hard. Whoa. Okay. Let's get an SSG. No one likes a MP9. Hi. No! There's no way you're going to get me.
Kill the chicken, get the extra points.
1 point. I know that for a fact. Oh, it's so hard to chew these things.
That's not.
Well, it's hard to talk while I'm chewing these things, but so much lag. If I upload this video on YouTube, it's going to be twice as laggier. I'm in the talking. What are you doing, Nick?
Put it back where it should be. No, it's not in the right spot. There we go.
Let's go get a Dak. What do you think of the Dak? Nick? What do you think of the Dak?
Got Scar H, Scar L.
There's a Scar 20 and then there's the G35 one, I think it is. But we call them Daks in Counter-Strike. What do you think of them?
You're right.
I've never actually seen that.
What do you think of the AN94? AN94.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Black Ops 2. We've not played Black Ops 2 before. So what type of phone you getting, Carl?
If I can find my old phone, which is like worth $5, I can get a Samsung Galaxy S8.
You're not getting an S8.
Probably.
No.
Maybe an
you're not.
S7.
S7 and S7 is the cheap version of the S8. The S8 is only how much? Like $2,000.
Look at the ugly face he has. It looks so weird.
Ricochet.
Yeah, that's my stat track.
wait.
See, look at his ugly face. Look at him. Look at him. Whoa! Just as I'm about to look at him, he just disappears into the...
Ricochet. What? I said Ricochet, not looking at that. I was like, Ricochet.
What? Huh?
That says Ricochet, and I was like, oh, Ricochet. I might say Ricochet. I'm pretty sure it says Ricochet.
No, it's Ricochet. Whoa, let's go die.
In a hole with a mole.
Whoa. Whoa, lo, 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 lo. Why is there so much lag? Damn it! That's the microphone. Why are you plugging
Let's
in?
go. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go.
You know you'll.
Come on, Carl. You can do this. Come on, Carl. Let's go do this.
You know that's going to be extremely loud for the people.
I know.
Okay.
Come on, Carl. You can do this. What map are you playing?
Mirage.
My PP is large. All I heard was my PP is large.
No one likes dualies. Dualies, they don't work for me. It's like I pull the trigger and then it's like not working. M4 A4. I have a skin on M4 A1S, but then I just want to get that achievement saying M4 A4 expert.
Because we've cut this channel and go and check out Zombie Ball 74.
Nick plays COD.
I'm the COD go. God.
He even tried to make a rap about it. Whoa! What's down here? A chicken. What the hell was that? Something. That $2 ball that looks like a cow. That's a ball. Can you not? That actually hurts. Ow! I'm gonna get violently destroyed. Can you stop? That really hurts. It really does hurt. Ow!
This was like I tried.
Okay, I'm gonna put Mag 7 on. And destroy!
So that's called the bad 7.
No, it's the Swag 7.
Isn't that what
Fitz calls it the Swag 7.
the gay 7?
No, it's actual Nick Fitz calls it
The gay 7.
the Swag 7. He calls it that. Trust. Wow,
Again.
that's a really accurate shotgun. That's probably like the accuratest shotgun I've got.
Carl's a hacker.
No, I'm not a hacker.
You guys, Carl's aimbot.
One more shot.
Carl's an aimbot hacker.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he is.
Is someone knocking?
That's Lucas.
Oh, can you not knock? Wow. The swag 7's pretty good.
My baby is large.
I'm on 4 HP.
I got a
The swag 7 saved me. Can you not?
Everyone leave Carl's channel and go see mine.
No.
Zombie Bro 74. Carl, your fans have just left this video and gone to see my epic trick shot that I hit. Wallbang headshot no scope.
He was hacking at the time. He put
No,
on
it wasn't.
aimbot.
I don't even know how to aimbot. When you watch the video, you'll see that I have not got any aimbot.
I've got the Mag 7 expert.
Yeah.
50 kills with that stupid gun.
GFD.
You know, I was about to die if you did that. Any later. Well, 4 HP.
Did I just save you?
live.
Did I just save you?
No, you didn't. Well, you messed up. Well, actually,
No way.
die! Never mind. Someone else killed him. I'm on 4 HP and still living.
You died.
Wow, that's a big ammo packet.
You died again.
I'm still not new to this. I used to have a skin called
died one more
5747. Forest.
You guys, Carl
Forest.
sucks at CSGO. He needs some help. See, look.
I need
Look,
an AK.
he didn't even win. He didn't even win.
Watch this.
Look, he's gonna die so many times. Oh, look, he can't even
I'm
hit
gonna
a
put it to
shot.
burst fire.
He can't even hit shots. Oh my god, he can't even hit shots.
Whoa, something, somewhere, somewhere, something, somewhere.
There. Lucas, who wants you to shut up?
He's raging too much.
You're raging too much.
Oh, dig! Watch me with my dig.
And then I get a sledgehammer and put it through your cranium. Your danium.
I don't even want to ask
your
what that
manium.
is.
A cranium. It's the top of your head.
Yeah. Wow.
Cut.
Don't have to be that gruesome. Someone's here.
I'll put a sledgehammer for your cranium. Your manium.
That is not a word. What just
Manium.
happened?
I'm the manium man in the world. Get out of videos. It died.
Yeah, I was trying to play the game. Until I believe it's
Yeah, I'm probably not that good with dig. Well, I'm not as good as others with a dig.
What time is it?
I don't know.
Oh, die! Did I-
know what time
What was that so lag?
Lucas, let me see what time it is.
I don't know what the time is.
It's 4 o'clock.
Holy hell! I thought he never noticed. I want a Pinoni. Because a peen whiny is pretty whiny. It's for those whiny people that don't like a Peeper by song. Or it's for those spoiled ones that get too much money and wants an SMG. Yeah. That's basically the meaning of a P90. The meaning of a dig is for poor people.
I told Lucas.
That's-
It was 4 o'clock. It's only 3:30.
Okay, we're gonna end the video after this round.
Why are you killing him?
Can't kill him.
Why
You
were
can't
you
do
try-
that unless you're in a competitive.
Why don't you play
Okay,
competitive?
finished now. Okay.
Later,
we're
guys.
gonna-
Go check my videos out. Go watch the trick shot. That was the epicest trick shot I've ever done.
Yeah, I watched it, and he doesn't have a screen recorder for his Xbox though, which makes it the light weird. But please leave a like and subscribe.
Later, people.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice